Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This will be on how to replace a hardwired smoke detector with another hardwired smoke detector, like one of these, which is throughout the entire house. So there's a bunch of these throughout the entire house that are over 10 years old. That's the one I threw. So first thing you want to do is screwdrivers, and I actually got one through this entire mess. If you don't know, I'm disassembling my entire layout, and I'm in the midst of doing that. So, grab this one right here. This assembly is in progress, but I'm still not done with the bench work or the table. And no, nothing is for sale. So, first thing you want to do is disconnect the power wires. So, go like that. And the resistor can stay. There. And this is fire alarm wire that's being used. Next, you want to disconnect 2 screws that hold the cable thing into place. So to do that, just loosen those up. Just enough for me to remove the entire mounting bracket. And actually, I'm gonna go downstairs to grab some headphones in a little bit for when I install the detector. So here's the old mounting bracket. Now for the new one. Just kind of gonna come up here and install the new mounting bracket. So for this, I like to loosen these even more than they are. Being a little bit tough with me. Looks like I'll have to move the screw over just by a little bit. So that way you can see what I'm doing. Just gonna wire that up and really push the fire alarm wire back, because